Okay, Jesse's cutting into the cake. I mean the brownies.
The cake brownies.
It's cake brownie. I don't know what it
Cake
is.
brownies.
And the ice cream we have is lactate vanilla. Okay, because
we don't want to poop ourselves.
Jesse's trying her very hardest to cut these mash of.
That looks appetizing. Yummy.
Oh, hear that?
I like how that it's hard.
I
and
love
if
it.
you threw it, it won't bounce. It just shatters. It won't even shatter. The person you threw it at will shatter.
I think it's a cake. It's a cake, guys.
I think
It's not a brownie.
you got.
What was
some
it like?
cake.
Butter pecan and like a
Salted caramel.
salted caramel.
Blue.
But it wasn't salted caramel because we mixed it in. Oh wait, yeah, I was gonna like get the ice cream on top.
That is enough. Thank you.
Okay. You got, want to film me putting the ice cream in?
Oh, bro, it's literally a cake.
It's a cake.
I told you. How do I open this?
Cindy doesn't know how to open the.
Have you ever tried using your brain? That might be easier. Yeah, do that. Hope for the best.
No, my thumb was in there.
Crap. No, I literally can't open it, guys.
Cindy, do you need help? Here, let me. Or Jesse. Jesse has made the attempt to open the ice cream, and to no avail. What will we do?
Use.
Do you need help? Here.
Okay, I'll videotape you do it.
Well, the brownie didn't turn out really good.
Neither did the other brownie.
I got it.
Okay. Now you did it. Okay.
He beep.
It tastes like just a good chocolate cake.
Okay, guys, you ready for your ice cream?
Yes.
I'm gonna get diarrhea.
It's okay.
Don't laugh. It's not funny.
I'm gonna get
It's not
diarrhea.
funny.
You want a lot of ice cream, Jesse?
Stop laughing. It's not funny.
Right amount.
Jesse wants extra diarrhea.
No! How did that happen?
I want diarrhea on Cindy's hand.
Oh, no. Cindy's hand is
Diarrhea
diarrheaing.
on Cindy's hand.
I'm so sorry.
I love chocolate cake. Chocolate cake's my favorite. No, film it.
I can't. I'm sorry.
Okay, now I'm gonna film you eat it.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
The crunchy part, it's like brownie, but the middle part is a cake.
Why is yours crunchy?
How is it?
That kind of slaps.
Kind of slaps.
You got like half salted caramel brownie and then half a butter pecan. Or well, no, you got a whole brownie mix of salted caramel brownie mix. And you got half of pecan.
Would you eat it or yeet it?
I would eat it.
What about you, Sophia? Would you eat it or yeet it?
It tastes like it would give me diarrhea. If I would eat it or eat it, I'm eating it. It's gonna yeet out of my butt soon.
Okay, what about you, Jesse? Will you eat it or yeet it?
All the above.
Wait, both? Okay. No. Well, what I do... Oh, I haven't even tried it yet, so... Okay, hold on. Okay, only my opinion matters.
That's true.
Only my...
You're the only one who rents this channel.
She's wearing pigtails, guys. Are we gonna let someone who wears pigtails have an opinion?
I bet you eat it by itself. The ice cream was a little bit...
Yeah, this one is very good too, to be honest.
Yeah, the ice cream kind of slaps.
Guys, drum roll, please. I would eat it.
I would eat it. All right, I'm glad we have your opinion now. It was a pretty good cake, despite the fact that we didn't follow the instructions. Everything went to chaos.
If I just have diarrhea anyways, even if I do take stuff that with no dairy, does that mean I just have a problem?
Yes.
If I always get diarrhea no matter what I eat?
Yes.
I already feel poopy.